Have you ever had something to say, but your voice got stuck right in your throat? Your heart pounding, palms sweaty, and before you know it, your confidence is gone? You're not alone. I've been there, and so have some of the most powerful speakers in the world. But today, we're going to fix that. I watched 7 of the most powerful TEDx Talks on confidence and communication, and I've distilled the best ideas into one simple, powerful guide. If you stay with me until the very end, you'll walk away with 5 practical tools to be confident anywhere, on stage, in a meeting, or even at a party. Most people think confidence means being loud, fearless, or born charismatic. But Montana Von Fliss says it best. Confidence isn't the absence of fear, it's the willingness to act despite it. That's the kind of confidence we're building today. Emily Jensen teaches that confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Every time you speak up, every time you say hello to a stranger, you're training that muscle. And here's the twist. Confidence doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing. You don't wait to feel confident before speaking. You speak, and then you feel confident because you acted. David J.P. Phillips, who studied 110 techniques for public speaking, says you don't need them all. Just 3 make the biggest difference. Number 1, pause. Don't rush. A pause makes people lean in. Number 2, smile. It's the fastest way to appear confident and likable. Number 3, drop your voice at the end of a sentence. It signals certainty. Simon Lancaster adds that people follow leaders not for logic alone, but for emotion and rhythm. Speaking in threes works like this matters. This is urgent. This is your moment. See how it sticks? But here's something no one tells you. Confidence also means protecting yourself from mental traps. Frederick Imbo says when someone judges you, it says more about them than about you. If someone criticizes you, remember, this is not about me. That one shift frees you to keep speaking without fear. And for building confidence in conversations, Malavika Varadhan shares my favorite tip. Don't try to be interesting, be interested. Ask questions that light people up, be genuinely curious, and don't fear silence. Small wins like this grow into unstoppable confidence. I remember standing in class once, introducing myself, and freezing. My mind went blank. That night, I searched how to be confident and started practicing these very techniques. I failed, I tried again, and slowly I transformed. I'm proof that confidence is built, not born. So here's your confidence toolkit. Act first, feel later. Pause, smile, and drop your voice. Don't take things personally. Build small conversational wins. And most importantly, tell your story, because your story is your superpower. Now it's your turn. Think about one moment where you want to be more confident. Write it in the comments. If this helped even 1%, give this video a like so it can reach someone else who needs it. And if you want more on confidence and communication, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. We're just getting started. Stay confident.